Wow! These warli paintings are amazing. They have used matchsticks and triangles to depict different sports activities.
We drew sport scenes in warli style on the wall near the playground. It is fun to mix art and sport.
We painted sports pictures in warli style on the school playground wall for fun.
This is a wonderful warli painting done by the students, and they were guided by our efficient and talented Rajesh sir. This ancient art form done on these walls shows the beautiful teamwork of all the students of our Vidyalaya.
I loved painting our school wall with warli art. I enjoyed painting warli art on our school wall. It's looking great now.
I'm so proud of my students. They did a wonderful job with the warli painting project, incorporating art and sports in a unique way.